Have you ever noticed that you talk to someone who turns every conversation back to themselves? Let's say, for example, you say, I had a really tiring day, or I have a fatigue day today, and immediately they respond, that's nothing. My day was worse than you. You share an experience and they avoid, and they instantly share a bigger than you. You talk about your experience and they share they are more experienced than you. Every after conversation, they try to prove themselves you are better than someone. So in that moment, you know that if conversation stopped, you feel like competition. You have seen the people, no, around you. So this is a part of the good manners. After conversation with any people, after you communicate with any people, so you always try to prove, constantly you are trying to prove that your story is bigger or your story is more important than others. Then it's not a good manner. So stop giving the suggestion. No, you know, sometimes if someone asks you for help, they need the physical help, they need some moral help. So don't give suggestion every time. So don't rush. Sometimes the best response is, I understand, I'm happy for you. So people always, you know, sin of the form of etiquette. You know, if you have a good etiquette, then you can build a good relationship. You can be the good listener. You know, always who is a good listener, that person is a good communicator as well. So there is one quote: a hen lays tiny eggs, makes a louder noise, while a tortoise lays many eggs and remains quiet.